Hey friends, if you wish to fix reference by pointer blue screen of death error with the error code 0x00000018 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to update Windows. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates. The next solution is to update drivers. On the same page, go to advanced options, select optional updates, and then you can install any optional updates available here. The next solution is a malware scan. So don't use Windows Security or Windows Defender for a malware scan. Here's what you have to do. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on MRT. Okay. It will need a few seconds to open this application. Click on next, select full scan, click on next, and then let it scan through. And lastly, you can try an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.